Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlog. I'm actually about to head out. I'm trying to hurry up and do like my hair and my makeup. I just did a puff, got my little edges straight, so now I just need to do my makeup. Ooh, running late, girl. I'm meeting a homegirl. I just want to put a little foundation on my face, friend. I didn't have time to show y'all like the ending in the house because I'm running late. She already there. She's talking about she parking. I don't know why I shot on time, but friend ain't on time. Just playing. We got reservation. That's why she on time. Anywho, I did finish though. I had to get myself cute because I don't go nowhere. Ooh, friend. Friend. You been in my purse this whole time. Like, after I got my drink, everything else was just blurry. I had a few mojitos. I had got some sushi and some shrimp. And then I drove back home. And I don't know, I already got in my workout clothes. Girlfriend, I done a lot. And you been in my purse the whole time. I'm sorry. I had a good time with my homegirl. But I'm about to work out. About to drink my pre-workout. It is about, what time is it? 9:25 p.m. But we got to get it popping. I have been so motivated to work out, you guys, and I'm just happy that I'm in this mood because once you get into the groove of working out, you really be on it, you know? Hey, Sky. Hey, girlfriend. Hi. You just ate your food, so your mouth looked a little weird. Today is lower body. I don't know if I'm gonna get some shots. Hopefully I do. I might just sit it over here. Hey girlfriend, it's another day. So y'all, I feel like making a McGriddle because I am hungry, okay? Your girl is so hungry. So I'm about to go make a McGriddle. I saw a video on TikTok making one, super easy, so let's do it. No, I've never done it before. Not bad, but I put too much pancake. I don't like mine that thick. That's a lot of pancakes, sis. All right, y'all. So I am about to go to the hair store. I don't know if I'm gonna take y'all in there with me because, you know, I don't know, girl. They talking about, Atlanta talking about they closing down or whatever. So I don't even know if they're open, but we'll see. My car's on autopilot, by the way, if you were wondering. Am I driving? Yeah. Friend, I'm back home. I didn't get much from the beauty supply store just because I really just went in there for some fade cream But I just want to see if it's gonna actually fade this scar right here. But if it does, then I might use it on other dark spots. It's called Natty Nola. I used to use this back in the day, y'all. Actually, when I was in college, I did have a jar of this. So this is not my first time purchasing this, but I didn't put it on like every day or nothing like that. So I'm just gonna see if it lighten it. Whatever, this is not to lighten my skin, honey, because I want to be chocolate, so that ain't what that is, just darker spots. And I got some deodorant. I actually stopped by the Dollar General. I did not get this from the hair store. And friend, I got this magic shaving powder. Now, I saw this on TikTok. They had 3 different kinds. They had a regular, an extra strength, and then this one, which is fragrant. And the reason I got this one, y'all know I don't like nothing that stink, but they say this powder stinks so bad. It's like really, really bad. So I was like, I might as well get the one that say it smell good. So this one is the gold one. I didn't even know they sold this at the beauty supply store, girl. This is what it looks like. So apparently you just apply water to it, I think. Y'all see this hair? First of all, the direction said 2 tablespoons and stuff, but I realized that's for a beard. This on my leg, not sure how far it's gonna get. And second of all, I know it's stupid to do this in a plate. But friend, I ain't want to waste my real dishes. Like, I really don't, okay? So I'm gonna make it do what it do, boo. I'm gonna test a little small patch on my leg, friend. Good old leg. Got my little mixture. It don't smell that bad. Smells like a relaxer. All right, so it says apply this to your skin and then 5 to 7 minutes, take it off. Kind of like Nair. Just gonna put it on. Don't want to touch it, so that's why I got this brush, but I definitely need more than that. All right, 1 leg done, 1 leg to go. Ooh, gross. Okay, I'm gonna rinse it. This is with the powder rinsed off. There's still some hair right here. Looks like I didn't even go down that far, but my skin feels super duper soft. It feels so soft, y'all, for real. My legs are smooth. You hear me? Smooth, girlfriend. Hey. I gotta get that little powder a 2 thumbs up, and it was $3, $2.99 at your local beauty supply store. Okay? Okay. What it do. It's another day, and I've been looking for you. What's good, friend? I look a mess. I know, I just woke up, girl. I just woke up. I got some right mouth there. Got some customer. Got my body on. Okay, I need to go do my hair. This shit crusty. Oh, you don't even want us to get back, friend. Dang, are you close? I got a new workout station thingy that I got from Walmart. It was like $200. I haven't opened it yet because I need barbells. Here you go, friend. I need to take my trash out. Don't worry about all that, honey. I've been actually, let me tell you something. Let me tell you a little secret, okay? So if you single, friend, and you be talking to people and they be coming to your house and stuff, leave your trash by the door. Do that. I want you to do that, okay? Why do you ask? Do you do that? Because, bitch, if you, he needs to take this out. See if he gonna look at it and be like, dang. Because even my homegirls realize that it needs to be taken out. So I know you see it. You know what I'm saying? So you head to, I can get that for you, Kim. You know what I'm saying? That ain't why I left it there. But I was just saying, you could do that. But I'm gonna take that out though. I'm gonna take that out. But nah, friend, I got my little workout equipment. And I know you may be asking yourself. I know you are. Maybe you're saying, Kimberly, where the hell are you gonna put this? Cause you ain't got room for shit else in your house. Why you need a whole squat rack and another bench? And I'ma just say, Friend, I don't know, like, mind your business. I just be buying shit. Like, you know this, golly. Y'all, I tried to get her a PetSmart appointment so we can get her groomed and stuff. They're not open anymore. They're closed. So now I gotta watch this old stink. I don't even want to see you. I don't want to touch you. You stink. The only thing about that, I don't mind washing her, but I need to cut her and my clippers. How you just trying to play? I'm missing the charger, so I had to buy some more clippers. So I'm waiting on the new clippers to come, and then we're gonna get it on, ain't we, Sky? We're gonna get it on. You're gonna be a new doggy. New doggy, who this? I came out to the pool, friends. I already done got in the water. That's my hello try. Green and weird. It wasn't done before I got in, and then I got in, and it's like, oh, girl, what you doing? But friend, I'm at the pool. Y'all see my swimsuit? I got it from the MAC collection. Y'all, I bought so many swimsuits from them. It ain't even funny. But let me show y'all the pool. I think I'm getting the tan. I'm trying to tan the back of my booty. Just sitting out bathing, baby. Whew, friend, another day, another dollar. I'm a little annoyed. So I was watching my video on Monday. I was in the comment section, and I'm just so annoyed by anybody. Anybody who had any negative connotation to this video, I'm annoyed with you. And you know, majority of you are over 30. I'm guessing the people who had something to say about it. But you know what? I got a calculator right here. I sure the fuck do. I got a calculator because let's just say, you know, putting it out here, you're 30 something, okay? And you started renting when you was 20. So we're just gonna say 10 years. 10 years, let's just go there, right? Because, you know, they've probably been renting before they were 20, but we're gonna, you know. So, Brian, let's do it. How many months in a year? 12. Okay, so we're just gonna say they paid $1,000. Maybe less sometimes, maybe more sometimes. So we're just gonna say $1,000, right? You just do your little 12 times 1,000, you know, and then you get 12,000, right? Cool. So we're gonna take the 12,000 times 10. This is how much you've paid in rent. You don't get that back. It's gone to the white man. The white man has this. The rent man, he has this. And you get nothing. That's over the years. That's just paying $1,000 for your apartment. That was probably 1 bedroom. But you know, I'ma just, you waste your money. I don't give a fuck. Shit. Waste your money, baby. But for those of you who actually listen to what I'm saying and actually want to do something better with your life and would rather not give this to the white man and actually want to have some real black power around here in these streets, thank you. I appreciate you and your non-sensitivity and your willingness to make yourself uncomfortable for a greater good in life. Now I'm gonna go wash my hair because this deep conditioner just chilling and it's falling down. Quite weird, but I just want to say that because I was really yelling at myself by yelling at y'all, but I was yelling at myself in this house. Y'all really disappoint me. Like, the disappointment that I get from so many people, like, I just want more for you guys. Like, I get nothing in return. I get nothing in return for this. Get nothing for my advice. Just don't share that type of hate, okay? Friend, I rinsed out my deep conditioner, but I don't know what I want to do with my hair. I need to do it today, but I just don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm trying to find my press-on nail frame that came off. I'm about to use the Gorilla Glue this time. I seen Alyssa Ashley use this when she do her press-ons. And I use it sometimes, but I didn't use it this time when I put this set on. I'm supposed to take the extra glue off the nail, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna just put it back on, honey. I ain't got the time or the energy. Not today. Then brand new boom. Whose set fell off? Not mine. Anyway, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. I'm about to watch some videos and get inspired by something. I was gonna do a wash and go, but then when I went in the shower, I didn't like how my hair was looking. Some product that I put on my hair, it's not sitting well on my hair. But on the flip side, I'm like, do I wanna do mini twists? Cause I don't feel like doing my hair for like a week. I changed my clothes. Yeah, did that. But I'm about to put together my new equipment that I got. I got a squat bar and another bench.
Set the Sunlight that always stays. Dinner by the waterway. It's that sweet life. Raise your cross. Made some dude crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began to play, yeah. Tell me how you feel it when you hear the lyric, yeah. My heart's in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. I left my heart in Stockholm. Now I never wanna go home. Shopping the girl, I brought a girl on my Vespa. She said I already told ya, yeah. I never dated a black guy. I said you're brown yourself. Let me offer help. Come on inside. Where everybody knows your name. Everybody knows your name. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway.
All right, y'all, I finally got it finished. This is what the entire gym situation looks like. How nice. I hope I put it together right. Gave me a little chart here that shows me like little exercises I can do. Now I just gotta get a rod and also some weights. The weights will go either here for some, you know, leg stuff, or they'll go on this. So I need the circle weights, not like dumbbells, but what do they call the circle weights? The ones that are at the gym and you slide them on and use the clamper and all that good jazz. Yeah, I need that. But listen, baby girl, I can do squats and stuff. This is about to be litty, Sky. It's about to be litty. Yeah. Give me 5. Oh, you are just the coolest dog ever. Friend, meet my little egg maker thing. Making an egg. I already made them. This was $12 on Amazon, and I don't have to boil eggs. Cause you know, I can't be the only person that really don't know when the egg done. So I just leave that thing in there and then it be like real hard to cook. Then you put 8 eggs on it and cook it at once. Put a little water in there. Come with these little trays. You can make an omelet and stuff all in here. Woo, shouting. I know I'm gonna put salt and pepper on my egg, but I just need that, I'm hungry. But you guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I feel like I did a lot in this vlog. I'm gonna start on my next vlog and I will see you guys in my next vlog on next Friday. But I'll see you on my next video on Monday. I'll talk to you guys later, bye. Mwah.